Hello friends, this is Amit, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. Here we have a question based on pie charts. So let's quickly see a solution of it. It says in a company there are employees of different departments, and it shows the data of 2014 and 15 in terms of percentages. Right now the question says that if in 2016 the percentage growth in the total number of employee is 40%, it means from 2015 to 2016 there is a growth of 40%, right? And the operation department holds 37.5% weightage. It means in 2016 operation department holds 37.5% weightage, where in 2015 it holds 25% weightage, right? So they are saying then what is the growth rate in the number of employees of operation department in 2016 as compared to 2015. So we need to solve this question. We'll just quickly solve it. We'll see how to solve it. First we need to calculate that what will be the 25% value of this 2015. That is, we know that in total there is 2040 employees, right? So 25% of this value will be how much? This is 25 upon 100 multiplied by that is 25 upon 100 multiplied by this value 2040. This will come out to be 1 by 4. So this is coming out as 5 and then 1 and then 0. So this is coming out to be 510 employees in 2015. Right now there is an increase of 40% in the overall employees in 2016. So from 2000 to 2040 there is an increase of 40%. So it will become how many times? 2040. The final count will become 140 times, 140 by 100. This is the final count. This is the way we calculate it. So it becomes how much? That is 14 into 204. So 14 into 4 will give you 56, that is 6 and carry 5. 14 into 0 0 and 5 you will get, and 14 into 2 is 28. So the final count of 2016 is 2856, and up in this final count 37.5% is what? 37.5% is the count of employees that is operation department. So we will find out that 37.5% of this value, 37.5 divided by 100 multiplied by 2856. So we know 12.5 we can divide it. 12.5 into 3 is this, 12.5 into 8 is this. So this will become 3 by 8 times. So 8 we will cancel out this 2856. So this will become 8 into 3 is 24, 4 5 is left, 8 into 5 is 40, 56 is left, 8 into 7 is this. So this will come out to be 357 multiplied by 3. 7 into 3 is 21, we get 2 as carry. 5 into 3 is 15 and 2 17, 1 as a carry. 3 into 3 is 9 and 1 10. So 1071 is the count which is coming out for 2016. So the question is, what is the growth rate in the number of employees of operation department in 2016 as compared to 2015? So we need to see the difference in these two values. We need to see the difference in these two values, which is coming out to be how much? 1071 minus 510, right? So it will come out to be 1, and 7 minus 1 is 6, and 10 minus 5 is 5. That is coming out to be 561 is the difference in 2015 and 16. So 561 is how much percent of the value in 2015? So 561 is how much percent of 510? This is the question. So that is multiplied by 100. So what we will get? 0 will be cancelled out. 51 into 11 times is 561. So this is coming out to be 110%. Right? Correct. That is option D is the correct one. Okay, so this is the simple process that you need to calculate the number of employees in 2015. Then you need to increase the total number of employees by 40%. So you'll get the total number of employees of 2016. Then you will find out 37.5% of that value, which is the total number of employees of operation department. Then you need to find the difference, and you need to find that how much is the percentage growth. Okay, this is one method of solving this question. There is also one more method to solve these type of questions, in which the percentage is given and you need to find out the percentage growth only, right? That method is called finding directly through percentages, and with the help of just seeing the percentage figure we can also calculate it. You have seen the traditional method, I mean the traditional method to find it. There is also a shortcut to find it. How to find it, that see that thing. See, there is a 25% employees in 2015, right, which has become 37.5% in 2016. Clear? But there is also an increment of to 40% in the total number, right? If it would have been in the same year, then there is clearly we can see there is an increase of 12.5%, which is 50% of 25. But since these are of different years, and in 2016 there is also an increase of 40% in the total number of employees, so we have to increase this by 40%. If we increase this value by 40%, it will become what? If we increase this 37.5% by 40%, so it will become 40% of 37.5 is 15. So if we increase 15 in it, it will become 52.5%, right? So now we can calculate it that 52.5% is the rate in 2016, and in 2015 it was 25%. So what is the percentage growth? We can see from here to here there is an increase of, that is 27.5%. so 27.5% is what percentage of 25%? That is in 2015. So we need to multiply it by 100. So with 2.5 we can cancel it out. 2.5 into 10 is 25, and 2.5 into 11 is this. 0 will be cancelled out. 11 into 10 is 110% is coming. See how many steps we have reduced? We have reduced the total calculation just with the help of this direct percentage method. So this is called the shortcut to find this percentage method. Thank you everyone.